Hi. We're going to the city and among have ng plans in Manche and going to text her. We're going to meet in Landers and we're also to continue to find Insta360 X3. Yes. Hopefully na it's November 4 or November 5. It's a date ron.
It's a date ron? 5? November 5? 5.
November 5, it's Saturday and we're going to look for the Insta360 and also we're going to meet Red's doctor for her eyeglass. She's going to adjust her lens, I think. Yes.
Anak ko nila.
Congrats day to Sophie for yesterday's achievement in Common. Ni-level up na siya. Ni-level up na yung learning into 5A man siguro siya, from 6A to 5A na siya into reading sa Common. And nagbunga gid atong sigato niya and teaching Sophie. And hopefully tuloy-tuloy yung learning and achievement in life. No? Yay, Sophie! Say hi! Yay! Congrats, Sophie! Congrats!
So hi guys, so ayan na nga no. We go to Landers to meet Mam Sheila for her Monstera Deliciousa plant. And also, we give her some freebies, some philodendron Belmax, these cuttings of potos, Cebu Blue. And yay, we have our money na. Thank you Mam Sheila for purchasing our Monstera Deliciousa. And also on that day, we get a message from Macys Camera that they have already Insta360 X3 available. So we go immediately to Macys shop to get the unit. As you can see, they have different cameras here. They have Sony, they have tripods, they have for any vlogging accessories. They have also here GoPro Hero products, and they have the latest GoPro Hero 11. You can check the prices here on Macys. But we need to focus on our goal, the Insta360 X3, and we need to get cash first before we can purchase it. This is the APM Center Mall, and they have here the Gesano interface where you can customize your gaming CPU and your office CPU also. There's a lot of choices here. And thank you Macys, thank you for making a dream come true to have an Insta360. So after that, we go to Metro Ayala to have our grocery, and Sophie's very happy for her hinamis. This is her favorite hinamis. So she said that no more mango na daw, so we get another flavor for hinamis. So she's not fan of chocolate. We just give her twice a week or twice a month. We keep on telling her that chocolates and candies will make her boo-boo. So she just need to choose one here, but she only eat the strawberry fillings on it and less on the biscuit sticks. So we're here in Max. So we did our dinner here in Max, Ren's favorite. We have here the tofu, sizzling tofu, the pancit canton, and also our chicken, Sophie's favorite. We're going to pray first. And after that, after our dinner, we have our e-gift, which Ren scratches. And also here in Ayala, you can get e-gifts if you purchase worth 3,000 in any shop of Ayala. So for the e-gift voucher, for every 3,000 purchase inside Ayala stores, we get an e-gift voucher worth 300. Mostly we get this from Metro Ayala for our weekly grocery. We use City Savings Bank credit card. I think we already accumulated worth 3,000 e-gift vouchers. And the promo ends this November 2022 only. So instead of paying 1,000, we just paid 400. And Sophie's here, camera shy. I'm trying to tickle her. Tickle, tickle, tickle. So here is the unboxing of our Insta360 X3. We have here the scan disc, the extreme. Guys, please use this extreme scan disc and buy to the reliable seller, because there are some fake scan discs selling out there, which is it will last only a month or a couple of storage lang. So ingat guys, ingat. So we carefully peel off the plastic and check inside of this Insta360 X3. You know. Yan. So first thing first is we get the Insta360 X3 unit. Yun ako kalityok. This is my first voiceover guys now, so please bear with me. And we get this box. Let's check what's inside. Alright. We have here, first thing we get is the so we have here the charge cable. And we need to fast forward. And we have here a lens cloth, which we are going to wipe our camera, the lens, the surface. So you need to use this one now rather than using rough clothes. I think this is the same cloth used in eyeglasses or sunglasses. And also we have here protective pouch to cover our Insta. It's very important to protect our Insta because the lens is very exposed and it can be scratched easily. So we have here also our user guide or user manual. So you need to read this first before you're going to use your Insta360. So nothing in the box, and we're going to open this, the invisible selfie stick, which is freebies. Is this a product also from Insta360? So we're going to try to peel off the plastics, and yay, we're very excited to use our camera because we have lots of plan to use of this camera for our trip, for our run, for our adventure if you're going to go to the trail. Yes, so expect guys that we have many videos from our Insta360. So last thing to get is this battery sticker. So we're trying to turn on this one. First thing first is we're going to insert our SD card. So yan na nga. We need to put back our battery. So just read which side is up, which side is down. So we're trying to on our Insta. Oh, nothing happens. So kinabahan tayo dito guys, no? So kasi hindi nag-on siya. So we tried to press several times but no avail. So we just need to get our power bank to charge our Insta360. So kasi nakita ko kasi sa mga vloggers or yung mga nag-unbox, so nag-on yung Insta360 nila. So sa atin is unfortunately hindi siya nag-on. So maybe drain siya. So nag-charge naman siya. So red means charging. And we try to on our unit. So it's blinking. Yan na, tumunog na. So you can use your Insta360 though you are charging your unit. It's safe. Yay! So first thing is you need to update your camera, the firmware. So it's suggesting us to download the firmware daw. So you need also to download an application for your phone so that you can edit your footage there, or you can download also the application in your PC. So thank you guys, and see you on our next vlog with this Insta360 footages. So thank you for watching, guys. Thank you for your support. Please do subscribe. Please do hit the like button for more videos or updates for this channel. Thank you guys, and have a great day. Bye bye.